Hey Jake, so good to see you. You look great. Have you been working out?
Haha, thanks. I've started doing yoga actually. It's been a game changer for my back.
Yoga? That's awesome. I've always wanted to try it, but never knew where to start.
There's a small studio near my apartment. Super chill, beginner friendly. You should come to a class sometime.
I just might. I've been trying to be more active. Sitting at a desk all day isn't doing me any favors.
Tell me about it. I started taking short walks during lunch. Helps clear the mind.
Same here. It's amazing what a 10-minute walk can do. So, tell me, what's been keeping you busy lately?
Well, aside from work, I've picked up cooking. Been experimenting with healthy recipes.
No way. You, cooking, that's new.
I know, right? But I'm enjoying it. Last week, I made chickpea curry from scratch.
Color me impressed. I've been stuck in a loop of pasta and cereal lately.
Haha, same here before I got into it. It's surprisingly relaxing, kind of like therapy.
I totally get that. I've been journaling a lot lately. Helps me slow down and reflect.
That's great. It's so easy to just go through the motions every day without checking in with yourself.
Exactly. Speaking of slowing down, I've been thinking about taking a short trip. Maybe to the mountains.
That sounds like a great idea. Nature is so underrated. I did a hiking trip last month. It was amazing.
Oh, really? Where did you go?
I went to Pine Valley. It's only 2 hours away, but it feels like a different world. No phone signal. Just trees, silence, and fresh air.
That sounds like heaven. I think I need that. I've been so glued to my screen lately.
Digital detox. Highly recommended.
Okay, sold. I'll plan something for next weekend. Hey, changing the topic, have you started watching that new documentary on streaming? The Future Is Now?
Yes. I watched the first 2 episodes. Mind-blowing stuff. The part about AI was fascinating.
Right? It's scary and exciting at the same time. Did you see the section about robots in customer service?
Yep. I mean, we are practically living in the future already. What a time to be alive.
Haha, no kidding. But sometimes I miss the simplicity of things, you know?
Totally. Like handwritten letters. Or just sitting and talking without phones.
Exactly. Like this, just catching up over coffee. No distractions.
We need more of this in our lives.
Agreed. By the way, how's your family? Everyone doing okay?
Yeah, thankfully. My sister just had a baby, actually. I'm officially an uncle.
Oh my gosh, congratulations. That's huge news. Boy or girl?
A baby girl, her name is Leela. She's adorable. I'll show you a picture.
Oh, she's precious. Look at that tiny face.
Haha, she already runs the house. My parents are over the moon.
That's such happy news. Kids really do bring a different kind of joy.
For sure. What about you? Any updates on your end? Love life, career, anything?
Haha, not much happening on the love front, but work's been interesting. I've been doing more content writing lately.
Nice. That's right up your alley. You've always had a way with words.
Thanks. I enjoy it, it's creative, and I can work from anywhere.
Freedom and flexibility. Can't beat that.
Exactly. Speaking of which, maybe I'll take my laptop to the mountains and mix a little work with relaxation.
Now you're talking. Remote work at its finest.
Alright, we've got to make a pact: more nature, more real conversations, less screen time.
D. And more coffee catch-ups like this one.
Absolutely. This has been so refreshing.
Same here. Let's not wait another 6 months.
Let's aim for once a month at least. You free next Sunday?
Let me check. Yep, all clear.
Perfect. Let's pick a new cafe and maybe go for a walk after?
Sounds like a plan. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. Alright, I should get going, but I'm so glad we did this.
Same. Take care, Emily, and thanks for the good vibes.
Always, Jake. See you soon.
That was such a warm and real conversation, wasn't it? Emily and Jake reminded us how meaningful it can be to just sit down, talk, and reconnect, all while using natural, everyday English. We hope you enjoyed listening and learning with the help of the subtitles. They're a great tool to boost your understanding and confidence in speaking English. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget, subscribe to practice English easily and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next relaxed conversation or language lesson. Thanks so much for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. See you in the next one.